Hello students, welcome back to Let Us Master English. Today in this video, I'm going to teach you how to write an advertisement for sale and purchase of property, vehicles and household goods. So let's get started. Students, in my lecture 1 on advertisement writing, I have already discussed what is an advertisement, how many types of advertisements are there, what is classified advertisement, different categories of advertisement, and also I have discussed the marking scheme for class 12 CBSE. So if you want to know in detail about these topics, you may watch lecture 1 in which I have taught how to write an advertisement for situation vacant and situation wanted. Let me discuss some important tips which are to be followed while writing an advertisement for sale and purchase. Point number 1, clearly state the category at the top. For example, for sale or for purchase. Number 2, begin with for sale or for purchase. Or students, you may write available if you want to sell something and wanted if you want to purchase something. Mention the type of accommodation, vehicle or household item which you want to buy or sell. Give a brief physical description and at the end give your name, contact, address and telephone number. And students, never be too lengthy, confined to the word limit, that is 50 words. If you are exceeding the word limit, your marks will be deducted for this. And most important, put the matter in a box. If you forget to draw the box, you will lose half mark. Now students, here are some value points for sale and purchase of vehicles. See students, here you have to discuss the make, whether the vehicle is of Maruti, Honda, Tata, etc. Then you must mention the model, that is Gen, Centro, Innova, Accord, etc. And please tell the color, year of manufacture and mileage, that is the total distance covered. Then accessories like stereo, alloy wheels, radials, etc. And you must specify the condition. You may say excellent condition or accident free. Papers like insurance papers, pollution under control certificate, then ownership details like it is a doctor driven car or single hand driven. Then price expected is to be told, and at the end give your contact, address and phone number. Now students, here is sample advertisement for you for sale of vehicle. You want to sell your car. Write an advertisement for the sale and purchase column of a local newspaper giving all relevant details. Write the advertisement in about 50 words and then contact number is given. So here our heading is going to be car for sale. And we'll start with available. Available, name of the car, Skoda Octavia for sale, 2016 model, white color, done 20,000 kilometers, single owner driven, top end model, original documents, excellent condition, owner going abroad. 3 lakhs non-negotiable price. Contact Sushil, 21, Ramnagar, Delhi. Contact number is this. So students, see here we are not writing complete sentences. You simply have to give some phrases to give the physical description and other details of the vehicle that you want to sell. Now here is sample advertisement for purchase of vehicle. Suppose you want to buy something, then how to write that advertisement? You want to purchase a second-hand Hero Honda motorbike. Draft a suitable advertisement in about 50 words for publication in a local daily. So now here we want to buy, so our heading is for purchase. And we'll start with the word wanted. Wanted a second-hand Hero Honda motorcycle 1999 or 2000 model in excellent running condition. Average around 40 kilometers per liter. Complete documents, tax paid, price not to exceed 26,000. Interested parties to contact SK Joshi, 30C, Janakpuri, New Delhi, and then the phone number. So isn't it easy? If you know the value points, you will be able to frame the advertisement with ease. Now students, here are the value points which would help you in writing an advertisement for sale and purchase of property. First of all, you have to tell the location or surroundings. For example, you may say it is nearby market, school, hospital and bank, metro or bus stand. And please mention the area in case you want to sell or buy a plot in square meters or yards. And you may also mention the name of the development authority, specify size, floor and number of rooms, then facilities like power connection, telephone connection, parking, washrooms, shopping area, and mention some other attractions like well-furnished, airy or ventilated, east and park facing, then price expected or offered, and at the end give your contact, address and phone number. Here is sample advertisement for sale of property. You want to sell your flat in Ashok Vihar. Write out an advertisement giving necessary details in about 50 words. See students, here you are not given many details in the question. So you have to remember the value points. So our heading is flat for sale. Available DDA flat, Ashok Vihar, first floor, 2 bedrooms. Drawing and dining with full interiors, car parking available, east and park facing, 24 hours power and water supply, located near main market. Reasonable price, contact ML Goyal and then the phone number. Here is an advertisement for purchase of property. You are Jay or Jaya, interested in purchasing a second-hand flat. Draft an advertisement in not more than 50 words to be published in the classified column of a local daily, giving the details of your requirement. Your contact number is this. So here students, our heading is accommodation wanted. We'll begin with word wanted. Wanted for immediate purchase a second-hand flat having 2 bedrooms, one with attached bathroom in close vicinity to a marketplace and bus stop. 24 hours water supply and power backup. Price range between 15 to 20 lakhs. Owners, please contact Jay mobile number this between 3 p.m. to 8 p.m. So here whatever your requirements are that you must mention. Now students, here are the value points for sale of household goods. So you must mention the list of goods to be sold, mention brand, model, year of manufacturing, then condition of goods. You may say excellent working condition, looks brand new, and so on. Then you must mention the reason for selling, why you are selling. Specify material in case of furniture, quote price offered or expected, and then give your contact details. Now students, here is sample advertisement for sale of household goods. You are going abroad. You want to sell your LCD TV, AC, refrigerator, furniture, etc. Draft an advertisement in not more than 50 words. You are Krishan Kumar, 121 Fort Road, Kochi. So here our heading is for immediate sale. Available for immediate sale, Sony LCD TV 24 inches, Whirlpool AC, a Kelvinator refrigerator 320 liters, antique furniture. All of the above items are brand new and were bought only a few months ago. The owner is going abroad. Prices are negotiable. Interested persons or parties may please contact Krishan Kumar, 121 Fort Road, Kochi, and then mention your mobile number. So students, thank you very much for watching this video, and for more such videos, kindly subscribe my channel. Please like, share and comment my video with your friends. Thank you very much.